There are multiple ways to use the Infer static analysis tool. Here is the list of major commands you can use. The run command is the one that you will use much of the time. The capture command will capture source files for later analysis. It will capture the build and compilation command that is used for compiling the source files. The magic here is that Infer intercepts calls to the compiler and translates them to an intermediate representation that is used as part of the static analysis process. The analyze command will analyze the files that have been captured by Infer. By supplying options to the analyze command, you can turn on and off a variety of static analysis checks. For example, the cost checkers are used for conducting a performance cost analysis. In contrast, the eradicate checker searches for any nullable in Java code. These are some of the static checkers that are available when doing a static analysis of your code with Infer. The first one is AI, which stands for Abstract Interpretation and includes checkers for thread safety, and immutable cast for Java. The second is Eradicate, which just mentioned, and its goal is to eliminate null pointer exceptions. The third checker is RacerD, which looks for data race conditions in Java code. Next we have the Infer Explore command, which will help you navigate the results and reports of conducting a static analysis on your code. The basic command has no options and it will show a list of bugs on the command line. You can generate an HTML for easier viewing or sharing of the results with your team. Providing the procedures option will print information about each function and method discovered by Infer. The source files option will print out the source files that were found by Infer. The run command will run the capture and analyze process and print out any bugs discovered in your code to the command line. You need to supply the compilation command being used and it will figure out the call paths within your code. Check out the manual pages for Infer on their website.